Hey there, soup enthusiasts! Welcome to our ultimate Guess the Soup Flavor Challenge. Hot Food Party Popper, get ready to tantalize your taste buds and test your soup savvy with 30 flavorful questions. From creamy classics to exotic blends, we've got it all simmering for you. So, grab your spoons and let's dive into a piping hot pot of soup knowledge together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for a super exciting journey ahead. Let's get slurping. What soup flavor is often associated with Thanksgiving? Pumpkin. Which soup is a traditional Scottish dish made with leeks and potatoes? Cullen skink. Which soup is a famous Vietnamese dish containing rice noodles and herbs? Pho. What is the main ingredient in gazpacho soup? Tomatoes. Which soup is often served with a dollop of sour cream and chives? French onion. What soup is traditionally made with seafood and originated from France? Bouillabaisse. Which soup is known for its creamy texture and contains pureed vegetables? Potato leek. What is the main ingredient in miso soup? Tofu. Which soup is often made with coconut milk and flavored with spices? Tom kha. What soup is made from dried peas and often contains ham or bacon? Split pea. Which soup is a staple in Japanese cuisine, made with seaweed and tofu? Miso. What is the main ingredient in tomato basil soup? Tomatoes. Which soup is a traditional New England dish made with seafood and cream? Clam chowder. What soup is commonly served in a bread bowl? French onion. Which soup is known for its vibrant green color and made with pureed broccoli? Broccoli cheddar. What is the main ingredient in pho soup? Rice noodles. Which soup is known for its hearty, meaty flavor and often contains beef or venison? Beef and barley. What soup is traditionally made with beef broth and caramelized onions? French onion. Which soup is often served cold and made primarily with cucumbers and yogurt? Gazpacho. What soup is a traditional British dish made with smoked haddock, potatoes, and onions? Cullen skink. Which soup is a traditional Italian dish made with vegetables, pasta, and beans? Minestrone. What is the main ingredient in chicken noodle soup? Chicken. Which soup is known for its tangy flavor and is made from fermented cabbage? Borscht. What soup is often made with lentils and flavored with Indian spices? Mulligatawny. Which soup is a traditional Irish dish made with potatoes, cabbage, and other vegetables? Potato leek. What is the main ingredient in butternut squash soup? Squash. Which soup is a traditional Russian dish made with beets and often served with sour cream? Borscht. What soup is known for its spicy flavor and is a staple in Thai cuisine? Tom kha. Which soup is made with black beans and often served with a dollop of sour cream? Black bean. What is the main ingredient in mulligatawny soup? Chicken.